let me ask you something. How many smart things are around you right now? Probably your phone, your laptop. But what about your wallet, your chair, your bag, and your fridge? What if everything around you could sense, talk, and act intelligently? Sound futuristic, right? But trust me, this isn't the future. It is happening right now, and this is exactly what IoT is, Internet of Things. So hello everyone, I am Parth. In the last video, we have discussed about Industry 4.0, how Industry 4.0 is changing jobs and career across the globe. Well, in today's video, we are decoding the heart of that revolution. I am not going to give you a boring textbook definition of IoT. Instead, we are going to understand IoT in a way most people learn it, and in a way that I have been learning the IoT through stories, real examples, and imagination. Let's start simple. What makes anything smart? The answer is sensor, right? If we add sensors to any ordinary things like a wallet or probably a cricket bat or a pen, that things start feeling its surrounding. It became aware, and once something can sense, it becomes intelligent and it becomes smart. Let me give you a real life example that will blow your mind. Have you heard about Strava? It's a social fitness app used by runners and cyclists all around the world. So Strava has over 180 million athletes on its platform globally, and together these athletes have logged tens of billions of kilometers of running, cycling and training data. इसको हम और समझ सकते हैं थ्रू हीट मैप. लाइक जहाँ पर भी आपको ब्राइट स्पॉट दिख रहा है वहाँ पे एक्टिव रनर्स है, एंड लाइक people are using Strava for running, cycling and training across the globe. You can literally see the energy and activity right there. This isn't magic. This isn't anything mysterious. This is data coming from sensors. GPU sensor in phones, motion sensor, connectivity, all working together. This is IoT in action. This is exactly what we are talking about. This is Internet of Things. Now let's take this even further. Tesla uses cutting edge like AI and software automation, but the most important core technology behind Tesla is IoT. Inside Tesla, there are hundreds of sensors working continuously, collecting data: temperature sensor, motion sensor, proximity sensor, pressure sensor. The car talks to the server in real time. In the next video, we are going to open up these sensors and see their DNA. We are going to understand exactly how they work, and I am going to show you practical working of sensors live on this camera. So if you found this video valuable, and if you are curious about technology just like me and about learning about your future, subscribe and hit that like button, and don't forget to on the notification bell so you don't just miss the next video, because the next video coming up right there is really interesting. Till then, stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.